Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So I'd like to start with the fastest way to check the IMEI number, and then I'll show you how to get this information using a longer path. So let's start with opening your dialer and let's enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you a longer way through the settings. So let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down a little bit to find both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So as you can see, you can always check the IMEI, even if you will forget about the secret code. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.